Tulsa.
Now keeping you and your family safe. This is 2 Works For You weather, certified most accurate.
I don't know about you, I'm kind of grossed out by that. I kind of live by the 5-second rule.
Well, I didn't find anything too bad, though.
No,
so
that's true.
That's good.
That's true. All right, let's switch gears. Let's go to something pretty.
Yeah, and this morning we had a pretty start to the day. It was obviously a cold start, a true fall feeling day. Yesterday we saw highs in the 70s. You can forget about those. We'll be in the 50s in most locations today. Richard Waters stepping outside this morning to snap the sunrise. Yeah, we started off with sunshine, but we'll be tracking some clouds as the day wears on. That's been the case even this morning. And we dipped to the 40s mostly across northeastern Oklahoma. Tomorrow morning will be much colder. In fact, most of us will be in the 20s tomorrow morning. That includes Tulsa. Right now we're seeing a cloudy sky in Bartlesville, the clouds increasing around Muskogee. You've seen some sunshine in McAllister, and Manford's also seen that mix of sun and clouds so far this morning. That will continue to be the trend. Most of us have been dry today, and we will remain dry, but I am watching a few showers that have developed within the past hour. Southern parts of Oklahoma, a couple of these clipping southern Pittsburgh County, also southern parts of Latimer County as well. They're not going to amount to very much, and they're just being basically popping up because of the area of low pressure that's off to our east and the front that's down to our south. So again, not a big deal, but a couple raindrops for those folks there. And we're watching another piece of energy producing a couple light snowflakes into portions of Kansas. That's what's throwing the clouds in our skies right now. So through our downtown cam, you can kind of see that filtered sunshine. We're at 50 degrees right now in Tulsa, very slow warming trend since early this morning. Remember, we started off in the low 40s, and we have a north wind at 21 miles per hour. It's 48 in Bartlesville, 46 in Pryor, 53 degrees in Muskogee, and Okmulgee, you're at 50 degrees. You factor in the wind, and you have to consider the wind chill as you step outside. It feels like the low 40s in Bartlesville. Feels like the 30s currently in Coffeyville. So here's the big picture. Watching this cloud deck, this piece of energy sweeping through our skies. So I'd like you to expect increasing clouds this afternoon. And with that cool air in place and the clouds limiting our sunshine, temperatures are going to struggle a little bit. Notice that rain moves away. So that's not a major player in our forecast today. Most of us will be dry with the exception of those southern parts of Pittsburgh County. Overnight tonight, high pressure starts to move in. It shoves the clouds out of here, and it sets us up for very cold conditions tomorrow morning. A lot of 20s. In fact, many of us expecting a hard freeze tomorrow morning. So you still have plants outside, maybe bring them into the garage or cover them up. Also, same deal for the pets. And then through the day, as we head through Thursday and Friday, we'll see south winds returning. Today in Jenks, we'll make a high of 56 degrees, about 51 in Bartlesville, upper 40s in Coffeyville, Muskogee at about 56. We'll say 58 for McAllister. A north wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour. That wind should start to relax as we head into this afternoon, and the winds will go light overnight tonight. We'll be down to 21 in Bartlesville, 24 in Bristow, even below freezing in McAllister. And again, staying on the cool side tomorrow, but we'll see a sunny sky on Thursday. 55 degrees will be your high. Down to 36 Friday morning with a high of 64. Starts to get windy on Friday, gets even windier on Saturday. Some low rain chances in the forecast for Saturday. They go up a touch for Sunday, but I'm not expecting a washout, but we'll certainly be watching that forecast closely for the Route 66 marathoners. And it's really next Monday and Tuesday we could see a system which could bring us some pretty heavy rainfall. So more to talk about on that. And your Thanksgiving forecast, by the way, a sneak peek, it's coming up.
Can't wait. Thank you, Julie.